Clear to take off.
You're clear to take off.
We started this off looking at ways to bring new technology in.
All right.
And what I'm trying to get my kids able to do is when they leave here, they should be able to leave not just knowing how to fly a drone, but I want you to be able to go out there, do your site surveys, fly responsibly, fly under the code of laws, and then being able to turn around and give a product to your employer. Any drone over 0.55 pounds has to be registered.
And we don't only learn about drones, we learn about the airspace period. So like airplanes, if I was to go into piloting, I would know most of the air regulations that I would be allowed to be in and the place I'd be able to go.
Even if I don't get like a drone-based career, it certainly serves as experience for what I'm really trying to get into, mechanical engineering. Down a little more.
I've always been interested in STEM, and this is definitely like a step up from STEM. It's definitely a hands-on application, and I think it would just be really cool to have the certification.
I have 6 different obstacles that I can set at varying heights, anything from 2 to 4 feet in 1 foot increments.
As a pilot, it's not our job to just like take over everything. It's to manipulate the drone.
We have courses, we fly through rings, and sometimes we can't even see them. They'll be behind our backs and we're not allowed to move. And we have VOs who instruct us what to do, how to turn, and it's definitely building that.
I'm constantly trying to stay up to date on what's going on, but this industry is just exploding right now.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools Jumpstart After Hours program is preparing students for the high-wage, high-demand jobs of the future.